An eSIM is a digital SIM card that allows you to use a carrier's rate plans without the need for a physical, plastic SIM card. Since most phones that support eSIM also support physical SIMs, important benefits are provided to the end user. eSIMs can be used to designate one number for work and another for personal use, giving the end user a work-life balance. Which iPhones support eSIM technology? Currently, eSIM technology is supported in the following Apple iPhones: iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, and later models. How can you set up eSIM technology on your iPhone? 1. Apply for an electronic SIM card with your operator, if possible. After your application is processed, you'll receive a QR code. 2. Open Settings, Cellular, Add Cellular Plan. 3. Scan the received QR code. 4. Click Add Cellular Plan. If you're asked for a confirmation code to activate your eSIM card, enter the number provided by your carrier. After adding an eSIM to your iPhone, you need to label the new plan. For example, one could be labeled Work and the other Personal. The default options are Basic and Additional. These labels make it easy to choose which number you want to use for calls, SMS, and data transmission. You can also restrict access to cellular data for one of the numbers. For example, if you want to use the second number for SMS only, you can restrict it from using data. To do so, open Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options. If you open one of your cellular plans, you can shut it off completely, restrict LTE access, activate data roaming, and get access to other features, just like you would on a regular SIM card. How can you switch between regular SIM and eSIM on iPhone? You can switch phone numbers before making a call. Simply click on the name of the current plan, most often Basic, and select eSIM. You can do the same for iMessage. By default, iPhone uses the number you last used to contact someone to call them again. If you want to set up calls for a particular contact from one number, select the contact and click Preferred Cellular Plan. Then select the number you want to associate with this contact. How to remove an eSIM from your iPhone? If you need to uninstall the eSIM, follow these steps. 1. Go to these settings. 2. Select cellular or mobile data. 3. Select the plan you want to remove. 4. Click Remove Cellular Plan. If you need to cancel your cellular data plan, you must contact your carrier. Simply removing the eSIM will not terminate your contract with the operator. Thank you for watching our instructional video. We hope it was helpful. If you'd like to see tips about other mobile phone functions or fixes, drop a note in the comments below. We'd be happy to put together a video. For more videos, please check out our YouTube channel and subscribe.